Today, Sophia and Alex have a big decision to make.
Alex, look at this one. He's so tiny and fluffy.
He is cute, but are we really ready for a cat?
We've talked about this for months, Alex. Our home feels too quiet.
I know. A pet is a big responsibility, though.
I've already researched everything: food, vet visits, toys.
You always do your homework, don't you?
I want everything to be perfect for our new friend.
Okay, you convinced me. Let's go to the shelter tomorrow.
Really? Oh, Alex, I'm so excited.
Don't get too excited yet. We have to find the right match.
I have a feeling we'll know the right cat as soon as we see him.
The next morning, they arrive at the local animal shelter.
Here we are, Happy Paws Shelter.
It looks very clean and friendly.
I read great reviews about this place online.
Look at all these success stories on the wall.
It makes me happy to see so many animals finding homes.
Are you nervous? Your hands are shaking a little.
Just a little bit. It's an important day.
Let's head inside and meet the staff.
Wait, let me take a deep breath first.
Take your time. We aren't in a rush.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Let's find our cat.
Good morning. Welcome to Happy Paws. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm Sophia, and this is Alex. We're looking to adopt a cat.
That's wonderful news. I'm Mrs. Gable, the shelter manager.
Nice to meet you. We've been thinking about this for a while.
Have you ever owned a cat before?
My family had cats when I was younger, but this will be our first one together.
I see. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
We have a quiet house with a small garden.
That sounds perfect for a feline companion.
We're looking for a cat that is friendly and likes to cuddle.
I have several cats in mind. Follow me to the cattery.
Thank you, Mrs. Gable. We're excited to meet them.
This is where our residents stay. They have plenty of space to play.
Oh my goodness, look at all of them.
They all seem so well behaved.
We spend a lot of time socializing them.
Who is that orange one in the corner?
That's Marmalade. He's very energetic and loves to jump.
Maybe a bit too energetic for our quiet house?
Perhaps. And over here is Luna. She's a bit shy, but very sweet.
She's beautiful, but she's hiding under the blanket.
She needs a very patient owner to bring her out of her shell.
Who is the black and white cat sitting by the window?
Ah, that's Barnaby. He's a very special boy.
Barnaby seems to notice Sophia and Alex immediately.
Look at him. He's looking right at us.
And he started purring. I can hear him from here.
Barnaby is 3 years old. He's very calm and affectionate.
He has such a gentle face.
Can we meet him properly inside the room?
Of course, let's go into the interaction room.
Hi, Barnaby. Are you waiting for us?
He was rescued from the streets a few months ago.
Poor thing. He deserves a good home.
I think he already likes us, Alex.
Let's see how he reacts when you get closer.
Oh, he's rubbing against my hand. He's so soft.
He's very friendly. Look, he's coming to me now, too.
He really seems to trust you. That's a very good sign.
I think it's love at first sight, Alex.
I agree. He has a wonderful personality.
He's already neutered and has all his vaccinations.
Does he have any health issues we should know about?
He's perfectly healthy. He just needs lots of love and good food.
What kind of food does he like?
He isn't picky, but he prefers wet food in the mornings.
We can certainly do that, can't we, Alex?
Absolutely. I think we found our cat.
To finalize the adoption, there are a few forms to fill out.
No problem. We're ready to do whatever it takes.
There is also an adoption fee that goes towards the shelter's costs.
That's fair. We want to support the work you do here.
We'll also provide you with his medical records and a starter kit.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
Remember, the first few days in a new home can be stressful for a cat.
What should we do to make him feel comfortable?
Give him a quiet space and let him explore at his own pace.
We've prepared a special corner in the living room for him.
Perfect. Just be patient and let him come to you.
We will. We want him to feel safe and happy.
The paperwork is the final step before they can take Barnaby home.
It's official. We are now cat parents.
I never thought I'd be a cat dad, but here I am.
You're going to be a great cat dad, Alex.
I hope Barnaby likes the name we chose.
Barnaby is a great name. It suits him perfectly.
Did you sign the vaccination agreement too?
Yes, I signed everything. We're all set.
I'll go get the carrier. It's time to go.
I can't believe this is happening. I'm so happy.
Me too, Sophia. It's a big day for us.
Let's go home and start our new life with Barnaby. We need a scratching post so he doesn't use the sofa.
Good point. This tall one looks sturdy.
And what about these toys? I think he'll love the laser pointer.
Don't forget the litter box and the scoop.
I already put them in the cart, and some treats too.
Wow, our cart is almost full.
A cat needs a lot of stuff, Alex.
I see that now. It's like preparing for a baby.
A fur baby. Look at this cute bed.
It looks very comfortable. He'll love sleeping there.
Okay, I think we have everything on the list.
Let's pay and get back to the car. Barnaby is waiting.
Barnaby arrives at his forever home.
Welcome home, Barnaby. This is your new house.
Look at him exploring. He's very brave.
He's sniffing his new bed. I think he likes it.
I'm so glad we decided to do this, Sophia.
Me too. Our home feels complete now.
He's coming towards us. He wants a pet.
Hello there, sweet boy. You're safe here.
He's purring again. That's a very good sign.
We're going to have so many happy years together.
We sure are. Welcome to the family, Barnaby.
I love our little family.